10 reasons to clean your home regularly. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. According to many studies, keeping your home clean and tidy can help you enjoy a lot of physical and mental health benefits. For instance, cleaning your house on a regular basis can help to keep you healthy and active, especially if you are at a greater risk of heart disease. If you don't like cleaning your house regularly, you are on the right video. In this video, we have shared 10 reasons to clean your home regularly. Watch on to find out more. Number 1. Cleaning is easy. When it comes to cleaning, you follow a process to achieve a goal. By spending a few minutes, you can go through this process and enjoy satisfactory results. In fact, doing something simple like organizing your junk drawer or taking out unwanted items from your refrigerator can give you a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, it will boost your confidence at the same time. If you are confident enough, you can deal with the challenges of your life, improve your chances of success, and strengthen your relationships. Number 2. Cleanliness is an indicator of optimal mental health. A neat and clean house indicates that the homeowner enjoys optimal mental health. On the other hand, a messy home may lead to mental health issues. If you don't clean your surroundings, you won't feel good about yourself. According to psychologists, a disorganized living space may be an indicator of a mental illness. If your home is chaotic and cluttered, you may feel ashamed and overwhelmed, especially in the presence of guests. Besides, these emotions may also make you feel worthless. Number 3. A messy house is the indicator of a messy mind. The state of your home indicates what's going on in your mind. Cleaning should be part of your routine tasks. If you don't clean your house and keep everything organized, it may put your life out of order. If you are going through difficult times, diverting your attention to regular cleaning can help you feel competent and accomplished. As a result, you can get back on track and move on. Number 4. Cleaning is a type of therapy. Keeping your surroundings neat and clean may trick your brain into thinking that you are decluttering your mind. You can clean your house at the weekend when you have plenty of free time. This practice can recharge your batteries so you can get ready for the next week. If you love cleaning your house, you can enjoy a lot of therapeutic benefits. All you need to do is imagine as if you are dusting your mind and getting rid of all those worrisome thoughts. This therapy may help calm your mind. Number 5. A neat and clean home feels better. Keeping your home clean and organized will give you a sense of control. Although you cannot control the behavior of your partner or boss, you can at least keep everything organized in your home. If your house is neat and clean, it will make you and your guests feel much better. This practice can help you create a good impression on others. Number 6. Cleaning helps reduce stress. It is normal to feel stress and anxiety when things are not going as planned. In this situation, cleaning is an ideal stress buster as it distracts your mind from those worrisome matters. Since cleaning is a mindless activity, it can turn off your brain for a few minutes so you can feel relaxed. Number 7. It can relax your mind. Over the past few years, more and more people are taking interest in meditation and mindfulness. They realize the mental health benefits of regular meditation. According to experts, taking part in cleaning activities may have a similar effect. In Zen Buddhism, cleaning is part of their religious practices. Since cleaning involves repetitive physical tasks and almost zero critical thinking, you can rest your brain for a while. This is how you can put all of your worries aside and focus on the present moment. Number 8. It can work your muscles and burn calories. Do you know that cleaning is a form of exercise? During intensive dusting, mopping, and vacuuming, your heart rate goes up. Plus, you work several muscles of your body and burn a lot of calories. And the best part is that you don't need to sign up for a gym membership to enjoy these benefits. Since cleaning is a good exercise, it can help you trigger the release of those feel-good chemicals called endorphins. The release of these chemicals makes you feel happy and satisfied. According to experts, 20 minutes of cleaning per week can help you control your stress and improve your mood. Number 9. Cleaning your house can keep pests away. Now, this is one of the most overlooked benefits of keeping your home clean. If your house is full of clutter, it might welcome different types of insects and pests, such as ants, mice, and rodents. Besides, you will unknowingly invite many other creatures that may create problems for you. Not cleaning those dirty dishes, or not getting rid of garbage, is a sign that your house is going to become a breeding ground for pests and insects. Therefore, if you want to keep your house free of these nasty creatures, you may want to make it a habit to clean your home on a regular basis. Number 10. Cleaning can save you money. If your home is disorganized and cluttered, you may end up wasting a lot of time when looking for something that you really need. Plus, you will have to buy something that is already sitting somewhere in your home, but can't be found due to all the mess across your home. If you have kids in your home, it is even more important to clean your home. You can even encourage them to take part in cleaning. After all, it is your responsibility to teach your kids the importance of cleanliness. In short, these are 10 reasons you should clean your house on a regular basis. This practice will help you enjoy a lot of physical and mental health benefits. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.